really be careful. The rainfall the valley saw caused significant damage to cars. 12 News cameras were rolling Friday when a man pulled over. Yeah, and this is not good. With all the electronics in our cars these days, it could be a
He's
total.
trying, though,
yeah.
right?
So if you happen to be a driver whose car got the water damage, what do you do?
Yeah, 12 News journalist Jade Cunningham spoke with an auto body shop and has more.
You don't want to drive through the water that's higher than halfway up your wheel.
Just days after storms drenched different parts of the valley, some drivers who were either caught off guard or chose to drive through flooded streets are now having to deal with the aftermath.
This is the intake where the air goes into your engine. So if you have that little wave and you're sucking water into the engine, you stand a risk of having a very large investment ahead of you.
James Garnand is the owner of High Tech Car Care in Phoenix. He says water can cause serious damage, especially if it gets into the engine or electrical system.
Yeah, you could lock the engine up and have all kinds of problems. I'm not saying you would, but you very well could.
If the car's interior gets wet, the vehicle, he adds, should also be inspected in case something hidden is affected.
If there's water inside, like on your carpets and stuff like that, it becomes an issue because that's not really clean water. And you're going to have some odors and stuff going on, so you don't want to dry it out as quickly as you can. Plus, there are electronic connections and things inside the vehicle that are low, and you don't want electrical wires in water.
Experts say if there's water damage, to not start the car because it could make things worse.
The best thing to do is have it towed as is.
Document all damage with photos and videos and take it to be inspected sooner rather than later before mold and corrosion can take hold.
If you're positive, hey, nothing important got wet and I'm going to be okay, you made the judgment call, we're all good on that. I think most of the time it's going to be a I don't know. And if you don't know, bring it to a technician. Let's have it checked out and then you'll know.
Last week's storms are a costly reminder of what even just a few inches of water can do to a car and why it's always best to stay clear of flooded streets. Jay Cunningham.